the Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8-inch 3-jaw chuck, 265 inch-pounds of max torque, 20+ 1-clutch settings, powerful 2-speed gearbox, easy to read charge indicator, powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Bosch, invented for life.
Your projects have met their match. Introducing the WORX Switchdriver. With 2 rotating chucks, you can switch between bits in a second and get your projects done twice as fast. Say goodbye to all the hassle of an ordinary drill. Switch in a second from drilling to driving, Phillips to flat, drill bit to paddle bit, screwdriver to socket. Power through your projects faster and easier with the most innovative drill driver available, the WORX Switchdriver. Get yours today.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.